To set up Siri on iPhone 17, first of all, we'll need to open the settings on our device. Next step is to look for the Apple Intelligence and Siri. If we select that, we can go to the Siri requests. Then there's three different options. First one is language, so you need to pick a specific language for your Siri, preferably the one that you use most frequently. So choose whichever language you like. Then you can go for Talk to Siri, and here you can choose how to call out Siri. You can do it by saying Hey Siri or Hey Siri at the same time. Then there's also option to call out your Siri with the side button right here. And now finally, when we have, let's say, this, we'll need to perform a setup. So just repeat everything that will show up on the screen. Hey Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Hey Siri, play some music. And finally, our Siri is ready, and depending on what options you chose to call it out, you'll be able to access it. And let's try Hey Siri. And as you can see, it works fine. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.